In this video we'll look at the high level scoring process, the scoring of a Swiss pairs event using the Bridgemate simulator. So we select scoring, Swiss pairs event, and select the number of pairs competing. Let's say 24, boards per round, maximum number of rounds, whatever. Actually I'll say always choose the maximum number of rounds available. You can play less, which is sort of, it just helps if you choose a high number there. Now we choose the session on the right hand side, and okay, we'll just change the competition name to Swiss pairs, and then OK. The file already exists, so whatever. Do we want to use the Bridgemate? Yep. What is the data method of calculation? I'll have another video on that subject later, but we'll just choose the most common option 1, exit. And now we've got the multi-session screen where we record the hand records for each of the sessions involved in this. We've already got it in there, so we'll just say OK. Save and exit. And now we see the draw for round 1. Table 1 is 9 versus 11 and so on. And we'll view the results. No names have been entered and no scores have been entered, so this looks very blank. So we'll do that now. Open Compassmate, and on the adjustment tab choose key in all players, and I'll key in players whose surname starts with A, and B and C if necessary, and click yes. And now we'll key in the scores for round 1. So they're now keyed in, and if I try to click that again, it says the scores can't do round 2 yet because the draw hasn't been calculated, which is true because this is a Swiss event. Anyway, we'll display the result in Compass. So now we're looking at the result for round 1. So now we'll go and calculate the draw for round 2. So scoring, calculate next draw, calculate draw for round 2, yes. And now of course the draw has been calculated based on the Swiss principle. Now we'll show that result in Compass. So now we're looking at round 2. No scores have been entered, but we'll do that now. Open Compassmate, adjustment, key in scores, so that's now done. And now we'll display the result in Compass. Now we're showing the result for round 2. Now we'll look at the progress result. So we've got round 1 and round 2. Progress summary. We've got round 1 and round 2. So we'll just do one more round. Scoring. We're showing round 2 here. Here are the scores that have been read in from the Bridgemate. So that's round 1, round 2 there, round 1 there. So calculate the next draw, which will be round 3 of course. Oops, calculate round 2. No, we don't want to do that. We're on round 2, we want to calculate the draw for round 3. Yes. And now we'll open Compassmate and then go into the simulator and do the scores for round 3. So key those in. Now go and look at the result again, back in Compass. So now we've got the result from round 3. Round 2 we can see there, round 1 we can see there. Actually, and then we can see the progress result. Oops. Actually we want to see the progress result round 1, 2 and 3. So with the progress summary, much the same, but the datum result for round 3 is shown there. Personal score sheet for each of the matches, and player list. And then we can also, just by going one of these view options, we can look at the hand records and travelling score sheets. So now we're looking at that there now. Anyway, so that's a very high-level run-through of how you score a Swiss pairs event using the Compassmate simulator in Compass.